name is Adarsh Singh of class 7th and I am going to show how to make a electromagnet. To make a electromagnet, materials are needed. One cell and the iron nail, a small pin and the wire. Take a wire and cut it like that. Then take the iron nail and roll it like that. The cutted wire should be in the to touch the iron nail. Then roll it. Then take a cell and in the positive terminal and the negative terminal touch the wire like that. And negative terminal like this, negative terminal and the positive terminal wire, and close the needle to the iron nail or electromagnet. Your observation is the cell and the iron nail and this wire is making an electromagnet. Then the iron nail was attract on the electromagnet like a magnet.